Hi, I'm Stu, and today I'm in Munich, Germany, the capital of the area known as Bavaria. And I'm excited to be making a video with my good friend Robinson.
Yeah, hello, I'm Robinson from Linschmid.
Because I'm an actor who makes videos about food.
And I'm an actor who teaches people how to make pretzels.
And Robinson invites people into his own home to make pretzels.
Pretzels are a staple of Bavarian culture. I started making pretzel with my 3 daughters, and now I'm making pretzel with people from all over the world.
Not bad for my first try.
So Stu, are you ready for the delicious pretzel here?
I am definitely ready to try a pretzel.
Good.
But what do we drink with them?
Of course, a Bavarian beer. Here we go.
I was hoping you'd say that.
Yeah, Prost.
Prost. So you might think this is a video just about pretzels.
But really, it's a video about me and Stu. And of course, a story about welcoming others in your home and making new friends.
And pretzels are how I met my friend Robinson.
Best friend?
Just friend. And that's 60 seconds with Stu.
And Robinson from my home here in Munich. Prost.
Prost.